Welcome to Mathematics Content Library for grade 9. Today we are going to revise the chapter Probability through its mind map. Probability is the extent to which something is likely to happen in a particular event. And what is an event? It is the collection of outcomes of an experiment. For example, when we toss a coin, there are two possibilities. One is head and one is tail. These are called as the events of that experiment. Next, trial. Action which results in one or more outcomes, that is called as the trial. That is the same example. When we toss a coin once, it is called as one trial. If it is tossed two times, it is called as two trials. In this way, the action which results in one or more outcomes is called as trial. Outcome. Something that follows as a result or consequence is called outcome. Head or tail. These are the two outcomes of tossing a coin. Okay. Then the empirical probability. It is given by the formula. The probability of E is equal to number of trials in which the event E happened divided by the total number of trials. This is called as the empirical probability. And we also studied the value of probability. It always lies between 0 and 1. That is, 0 is less than P of E and it is less than or equal to 1. Now we will discuss one example each from the coin, cards and dice. The first example, based on the cards, find the probability of getting jack from a pack of 52 cards. We know that there are four types of cards. They are spade, club, heart and diamond. And in each group, there is one jack. So the total number of jacks is equal to 4 and the total cards in the pack is equal to 52. Therefore, probability of getting the jack from a pack of 52 cards is equal to 4 divided by 52, which is equal to 1 by 13. The second example, based on the dice. When a dice is thrown twice, find the probability of getting the sum as 5. We know that a dice contains 6 faces on which number 1 to 6 are written. So when the dice are thrown twice, the possibility of getting the sum as 5 are 1 4, 2 3, 3 2 and 4 1. That is, there are totally 4 outcomes as the sum of 5. And the total number of possible outcomes is equal to 6 into 6, that is 36. Therefore, the probability of getting the sum as 5 is equal to 4 divided by 36, which is equal to 1 by 9. Next, an example based on the coin. When a coin is tossed, find the probability of getting the head. The total number of possible outcomes are 2. One is head and one is tail. And getting the head is equal to 1. Therefore, the probability of getting the head is equal to 1 by 2. So that's all about the lesson probability. I hope the revision through this mind map helped you to understand the concepts of probability in a better way. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.